So we're going to be changing the cabin filter in this A7, and A6 should be the same, Audi. And I got the EcoGard filter, which is carbonized. So here are the numbers for the filters and also for different brands. So this is what it looks like. It's wrapped. And before we take it out, so let's go ahead and get the old one out, which is going to be under the glove box, right under there. So we're going to need to take out this little plastic piece here. There's a couple little twisters here that we can untwist. They look like that. Another one here at the end. And then on this side here, there's like a little lip that it goes around. So once you get the two out, then we're going to take it out from this end and then kind of slide it this way so we don't rip the trim piece here. But yeah, it just comes right out, and that's where it'll slid in. Just a piece of foam. And under here we're gonna see the box where the filter's in. So on this side there's a little clip. It might be a little hard to see, but you gotta pull on it just like towards yourself from the top, and then this whole piece comes down, and there you guys can see the filter. And now we can pull it out. It is a really tight fit between this carpet, as you guys can see there, so but it does come out, kind of forcing it. So yeah, not too hard, but it does come out with some bending needed. Open it up there, you can see. The interesting part is it is quite heavy compared to the new one, so I'm guessing that maybe it's absorbing moisture also, or just full of something that made it heavier. But in any case, let's go ahead and put our new one in, which will go in. There we can see the airflow direction, so the air flows through it this way. So go in just like that, the arrow pointing down, or that way. And you guys can see a little closer here, it does have the carbon infused filter. And also it does come with this paper that tells you how to get to your filter and what it's compatible with and how to do it. Alright, so now we just got to squeeze our new filter in there, which might be a little tricky. Obviously not impossible, just kind of have to force it in there. But it does go up in there, and you guys can see. So the flap goes to the front, that unflaps so you can grab it later and pull it out easier. Yeah, simple as that. Now we're just gonna put our cover back on. One side goes in that end, and then you just clip it up, and that's it. Simple as that, guys. And now we can reinstall this trim. First going to this end here, looping over the little tab, and then we'll install the two little screwies for the bottom, and that is it.